One of the most common reasons people overindulge in alcohol is that it makes them feel euphoric and full of energy, which depletes their potassium and other essential minerals, leaving them dehydrated. First is avocado toast. The potassium in avocados replenishes what's lost from alcohol-induced dehydration, while the whole grains in the toast stabilize your blood sugar. Next is coconut water. This natural electrolyte drink rehydrates you faster than plain water because it contains magnesium and sodium, essential minerals lost when you drink alcohol. Plus, it has no added sugars. Then, sip on ginger tea with a bit of honey. When you're hungover, your body is inflamed and your liver is working overtime to detoxify alcohol. The active compound in ginger, called gingerol, soothes nausea and reduces inflammation, while a touch of honey gently restores your glucose levels without harsh spikes. Following that, eat watermelon. With 92% water and fructose to help your liver detoxify alcohol faster, it's both hydrating and delicious. Finally, have some eggs. They're a hangover superfood rich in cysteine, which helps break down acetaldehyde, the toxic byproduct of alcohol that causes hangovers. Make sure you follow us for more tips to feel your best.